Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I got my January Allure Beauty Box, y'all. This box is $23 a month. You can buy it at longer stretches if you want to. And there's, I do have a link below. I don't think it gets you any deals, but sometimes they have deals going on. You can look for them on Instagram. Sometimes when you go to sign in, they'll have a deal, because sometimes they'll give you something, you know, free if you join or whatever. So anyway, it is sealed here, and I cut that open. And when you open it, it's always like this inside. There's a nice brochure, which I really like. I hope that they keep doing that. And the brochure is a little bit different than it used to be. It used to be shiny. And somewhere on this brochure, which I'm not seeing at all, is a variation number. But it is not, I don't see it. So I don't, maybe there's no variation this time. I do know maybe the variation is that we did pick something. We were asked to pick something, and I'll show you that. I'll show you that first. Also in here is a card that says a gift for everyone you love. If you are a member of Allure Beauty Box, you can go and buy different boxes that are on sale. And let's see. Valentine's Day is February 14th. Galentine's Day is February 13th. So you can pick different things on their site. They also have stuff for your boyfriend, your spouse, your loved one, you know, a man in your life. They have a GQ box that I saw that today on their website. And it has a lot of nice things in it. So you might be interested in that for your significant other. And okay, so when there's this white tissue in here, and what we did, we were asked to choose. Oh, this is nice. In this box, it's $23 a month. That does include the shipping. You are guaranteed, my understanding, unless they've changed it, to get 3 full-size items and 3 deluxe samples. And sometimes you get more than that. Sometimes you get 7 items. Sometimes you get more than 3 3 full-size products. So, but that's what you're guaranteed to get. This got a little smashed because of the way it was packaged. This is First Aid Beauty. And look how big, see how that's a little squish there? We were asked to choose. Let me look in the brochure and see what we were asked to choose from, because I don't remember. This says, shine on, just in time to ring in the new year. One very bright revamp for your routine is nestled in this box. And if your New Year's resolution have anything to do with brighter, dewier skin or shinier, healthier hair, consider these checked off your list. And then it tells you what you're getting and stuff like that. So let's just move on. Oh, okay. It says if I refer you and you sign up, we both get $10. No, I don't. It says that's what it says. Refer a friend and you'll both get $10. So I don't know if that's $10 to spend in their shop or $10 against your subscription. That I don't know. But that's what it says in here. That's from the beauty director. So the First Aid Beauty, there were 3 that you could choose from. There was the KP Smoothing Body Lotion, which a lot of people like. That KP is something that you get on your arms, like chicken skin. And if you have that, people say that this really helps. And I even know some men that use it and like it for that kind of a thing. I think it's also good for, like, if when you shave your bikini area, if you get little bumps, it's good for that. Then there is, now maybe I'm wrong about that, because there's the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. Maybe that's the one that's good for the bumps. The body, well, okay. One is the lotion and one is the body scrub. And then there was, this is what I picked, because I don't have those little bumps. So I picked the face cleanser, the Pure Skin face cleanser. And First Aid Beauty is a fantastic product line. It is, my understanding about it is it's safe for sensitive skin. And I have a dear friend that really loves this line. This said that it removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and impurities. It's safe for sensitive skin. So it's a great line. And so that's our first product, and that is full size, and that is valued at, let's see which one I have. The cleanser is valued at $24. So one of them was $26 and one of them was $30. So that's our first product. And then let's see what else we've got. It said something about hair. Oh, I don't have the hair product in here. All right, let's see. 1, 2. All right, I have, I don't know. All right, let's see. I have this. This is Ciate London. We get a lot of Ciate London makeup in here. Allure Beauty Box, most of the time, is a lot of skincare. And then you might get a makeup product or two. So this time, I think there's only one makeup product in here. And it's called Fierce Flicks in Black from Ciate London. So this is an eyeliner, a precision tip liquid eyeliner. Let's look at it. I like a really good eyeliner, so I'm happy to try this. This is valued at $19. It's a full size. Oops. Okay, here it is. It's beautiful packaging, Ciate London, and this is it. And I'm just changing out some of my eyeliners, so I'm gonna put this in my arsenal. Very, very nice, very smooth line. So I like that. Okay, good. All right, I'm gonna use that right away. And did I say it's valued at $19? Okay, next up is a deluxe sample. This is the Dr. Botanicals. And let's see, this is this is 30 mLs. Well, no, this says that it is $9.90 for 30 mLs, which is what this is. But I have seen bigger tubes of this, I'm thinking. 30 mLs. This is 30 mLs. Anyway, smooth the mask over your entire face. It's great for all skin types. This is a mask. Turmeric Superfood Restoring Treatment Mask. The Dr. Botanicals are all natural products. They're great for your skin. This says a skin-soothing winter ritual you can look forward to. This hydrating and antioxidant face mask quenches dry spots and helps calm blemishes while staying juicy instead of drying down. That's the kind of scrub that I like. The texture makes it feel extra indulgent and relaxing while brightening skin with curcumin from turmeric. Okay. Now, it's odd because there it is in the book, and then it looks shorter to me. But maybe it's a full size, y'all, because it says $9.90 for 30 ml. And usually they tell you the pricing of the full size, unless they're changing up the brochure. Next I have something really fabulous. This is Sunday Riley. I adore Sunday Riley. This is CEO Afterglow. Let me show it to you. That looks like a deluxe sample. It says 1.7 ounces is the full size. So, and this is, yeah, 0.5 ounce. So a full size of this, 1.7 ounces. So this is about a third. Boy, is my ring light on that bright, or my camera or something? Anyway, it's a little orange pot. It is sealed. I'm going to open it though, because I'm going to use it. It is $65 for the 1.7 ounce. So this is about a third of it. So, you know, $20-ish, $20, $22 value. It has a seal with this circle seal here. And it says this sunshine yellow gel cream with vitamin C makes skin all around dewier and more even toned and brighter. So much so that one editor has started skipping her usual highlighter after just 2 weeks of using this. Wow. Now her skin glows enough on its own. Wow. See, that's what, you know, the editors choose these products. The editors of Allure magazine. Hey, Smudge. I didn't even know he was back there. I just felt him on my shoulder. So this, it has a little scent of like dirt, you know, a good dirt kind of scent. I know that sounds funny, but yellow. It's yellow it's definitely yellow. So, it's creamy. It feels good on my hand. All right, I hope that that's a good smell. It just feels earthy. I mean, smells earthy. Smudge, you gonna come up? It's even though that's a deluxe sample, there's a good bit in there. So I'm excited to try it. Because I love Sunday Riley products. I've only had them a very few times, and they're wonderful products. You want to come up, Smudge? And then I have two other items in here. Let's see what they are. They're big. Oh, here's the Christoph Robin. I do have the Christoph Robin. I saw the picture here, so I didn't see that. Here, it's in a box. This is, let's see, 50 mLs. This is full size, and this is $49. And there's the box. And Christoph Robin, everybody says is fantastic for your hair. This is a regenerating serum. This is very interesting. I already know who I'm going to be sending this to. This is with prickly pear oil. I've heard about prickly pear oil, that it's good for hair growth. And this is lustrous hair, smooth and deeply nourished. Let's take it out of the box so we can see it. And it says why you'll love it. Blow dryers, hot tools, highlights, all the things we love for our hair, also dries it out, which is where the silky heat protectant serum comes in. The silicone-free shine enhancer is excellent at preventing new split ends and hiding existing ones, while prickly pear oil and castor oil add tons of shine without weighing down even fine hair. Now, I don't know about that because I have fine hair and a lot of things weigh it down. It says there's a reason it's called a serum. The formula feels a lot like a serum for your skin, meaning it's not heavy and it's easy to distribute throughout your hair. Finger comb a few pumps of the lengths and on ends of damp hair before styling or through dry hair for a quick boost of shine and an easy polished look. Okay, that's what this says here, but I was reading on Allure's website. I thought this was like a hair, like a supplement sort of, that it would help with your hair growth. And maybe I made that up, but I don't think so. I'm still sending it to my friend because I think it's going to help her. Because I have heard prickly pear oil, one of the richest plant sources of omegas and amino acids, help hair feel stronger. And deeply nurturing Tucuma butter, derived from a precious fruit harvested in Amazonia, and known to be hugely concentrated in fatty acids and carotenes, blah, blah, blah. It nourishes, it helps your hair. It helps your hair, so I'm passing it on. This is really heavy. And this is was loose. I'm going to screw it on there really tight. I'm not going to, that meant it was open a little bit. What you'll do is pump this out. It says that it's on the thinner side. Anyway, yeah, I'm happy to send that to a dear friend of mine who's having issues with her hair. So yay, full size, $56. No, sorry, wrong thing. $49, okay? And then the last thing. So yeah, this brochure, I have everything in here, so I think the only difference were the First Aid Beauty. Okay, let's get on. I'm sorry this is taking long. Then we have Elta MD. This brand is a bougie brand. Maybe not so bougie because this isn't very expensive. Oh, I have it upside down. All right, it says that the retail price is $20 for 3.4 ounces, and this is 1.6 ounces. This is a deluxe sample. So I am surprised. I thought this was a more expensive, it's a toner. Skin Recovery Essence Toner. Okay, let's look at it. It's, so this is valued at $10, really, because it's about half of that 3.5. Yeah, it's a nice little toner. So, okay. I have had a moisturizer in this brand, and it was quite an expensive thing. So this is just your usual toner. It says, like a vanilla latte for your skin. That sounds very nice. This toner is comforting and energizing all at once. The multitasker hydrates, softens, and fortifies your skin's barrier with amino acids. That's key for keeping moisture in, especially during cold winter months. Okay, great. It says, well, you just put it on, shake a little onto your fingertips and pat onto skin, or you can use a cotton ball or whatever you want to do. It's alcohol-free and fragrance-free. Smudge. They are over there fighting. Frisky. They're frisky today. So I have problems with toners that have alcohol in them because it's too drying. So this is alcohol free. Very, very good. So great for winter skin, great for normal to dry skin. So alcohol toners are more for oily skin, in my opinion. Okay, so anyway, this was a fantastic box. It's hard to add up exactly what it's gonna, what it's valued at because of the, what's full size and what's not full size. So this is full size. This is full size. The hair serum, and I guess this is full size. The eyeliner, and this says it's full size. Now I don't know what y'all think about that, but it's, unless they made a mistake, it says 30 mLs is the full size, but it doesn't look like a full size to me, but I don't know, maybe it is. And then this is a deluxe sample, and this is a deluxe sample. So very, very nice box, well worth the $23 that it costs each month. I got it at a deal when I bought it for the year on Black Friday. That's the only time I ever see it at that deal. It was $216 that I had to pay up front for the whole year. So if you see a deal like that, if I ever see a deal like that, I'll let y'all know. But I only have ever seen it in the last 3 years or so that I've known about Allure on Black Friday. It used to be $199. It went up to $216 this year. But if I see it come up any other time, I'll let you know. A lot of times on Instagram, they'll have a, start your subscription and you'll get a free box of some goodies, or you'll get a free product, a nice expensive product or something. So if you're interested in this box, it's well worth the $23, even if you don't get a deal. I mean, really, because like I said, this is $49. What was this? Was $24. I mean, we're over $100 at least in value. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing what's in my Allure box. And y'all take care, count your blessings, and have a good day. Bye.